Excel LEN function. The Excel LEN function returns the length of a given text string as the number of characters. LEN will also count characters in numbers, but number formatting is not included. It will return the number of characters. Very simple function, equals len, and then just simply the text. And the text is for which you're going to calculate the length. Right, so here's a simple example that we are going to use. I've got some different values here, and then we'll see what the len function is doing according to the different values or data. So simple equals len, open my bracket, and the only parameter is text, so I'm in this case using A2, the name there, close my bracket and press enter, and I get the length of 7. So if we actually count the text characters or the string characters, it's BOI, that's 3, K, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 7 characters in that name. If I apply autofill, again autofill is the little square there on the edge, you can double click or drag it down. What it's simply doing is, as you see, if we look in my formula bar there, it keeps the same function, and I'm just going down with the different rows. Now the first 3 is quite easy. It was 7, and then Karabo is a 6, and Zegfatso is 11. Then we get numbers. It will also count numbers, so there's 4. Now this one I also get 4 because it's actually counting the comma as well, or the full stop, the dot, 25.7. But the last 2 is a bit of difference. So as you can see there, I have the number 1002 and I get 4, the same as what I got there, but I've got an R for currency as well as decimal points. So if I actually click on this value and I look at the actual value, it is still 1002. So it means that I've actually just formatted it as currency. So the len function does not count the formatting, it actually just counts the raw number. Now there's another exception. If I look at the date, I get 5. So I've got a date there, click on it, but I do see more characters in there. The formatting is date, but what we need to remember is, if I have this date and I would go and change it now into no specific format or as a number format, you will see it will return a number. Date is actually stored as an integer number, and as you can see, that integer number only has 5 characters. So when I put it back to my formatting of date, it still just says 5 characters.